Welcome to 10-minute yoga stretch for hips and lower back. We will do this practice in supine position, so lay down on your back, bend the knees, place your heels close to your sit bones, arms alongside the body, press through your heels, engage the glutes and lift your hips up for bridge pose. Your arms can stay on the mat, or you can interlace your fingers behind the back, scoop your shoulder blades closer together, lift up through your chest and hips, breathe. One more big inhale. With exhale, release down to the mat. Drop your right knee to your chest, extend your left leg on the floor. Hug your right knee as close as you can. Give your knee one more squeeze. And then hold the outside of your right foot with your right hand and press the knee down towards your armpit for half happy baby. You can place your left hand on top of your left thigh to make sure that you are staying in center and not shifting weight to one side only. One more time, gently press your right knee towards the ground. Then bend your left leg, place your left foot flat on the mat, and position your right ankle over your left knee. Keep your right foot flexed. Gently press your right knee away from you first. And then you can stay here if this feels good for the hips. Or interlock fingers behind your left thigh or shin and draw your legs closer towards your chest. Reclined pigeon pose. In this position you probably feel the stretch somewhere on the right glute, outer hip. One more breath here, maybe pull your leg closer one more time. Keep your right ankle over the left knee as it is. Bring your left foot down to the mat and then lower the knees to the right into twist. Find a comfortable position for your hands, anywhere alongside the body or on the body. Your right foot is gently pressing your left knee towards the ground to increase the stretch on your left hip. Bring your knees back to center. Straighten your right leg on the mat and draw your left knee towards your chest, hug your shin, squeeze it in. Hold the outside of your left foot, half happy baby on this side. Keep gently pressing the knee down towards the mat. One more big breath here. Then bend your right leg, foot flat on the mat. Position your left ankle over right knee, left foot flexed. Press your left knee away from you. And then either stay here or hold behind your right thigh, shin. Gently drawing your legs closer towards your chest. Make sure your neck stays relaxed, head on the mat. Lower your right foot to the mat and then lower the knees to the left side. Left ankle stays over the outside of right knee, gently pressing this knee down towards the mat. Bring your knees back to center and draw both of your knees towards the chest. Hug your shins with your hands. Rock side to side on your lower back a couple of times. Try to keep your knees close to your chest as you lower them to the right side into a different kind of twist. Extend your left arm out to the side and look over to your left hand. With your right hand you can gently keep pressing your knees down towards the mat. With both of your knees bent, you might feel a different kind of stretch on your lower back. Bring your knees back to center and lower them to the left. Straighten your right arm out and look to your right hand in the opposite direction. Bring your knees back to center and hold outsides of both feet for full happy baby pose. Keep your ankles over your knees. Gently press your feet down with your hands. You can stay still or rock side to side, massaging your lower back. Last big breath. Straighten your legs out on the floor, arms overhead. With inhale, point your toes, reach your arms up, big full body stretch. Exhale, release. Roll over to your favorite side and press through your hands to come up into cross-legged seat. I hope you enjoyed this short practice and you feel a little bit more space in your hips and lower back. Thank you for practicing with me. See you next time. Bye!